Today is September 25th, 2018, and I had a great watch list, and I zeroed in on Tgtx, which is Tgtx. I think it was a drug or something, as far as the news that came out that it failed in some testing or something like that. But overall, it ran well to the downside. It was below the Ichimoku cloud, and I've been talking about the Ichimoku cloud in the CCI crossover in my other videos, but today again we got a clean chart. I have a lot of indicators on my charts that I'm using, and the trading that I'm doing is not emotional based. I trade off the chart and the chart exclusively. The chart is going to give you the data, and when you process the data, when you process the data properly or correctly, you profit. So basically, we're just looking at straight data. The computer 9 times out of 10 won't be wrong. Now the computer proprietary indicators are not perfect. Nothing is, as there is no holy grail to as far as indicators. You're going to combination of indicators you're going to use to say, oh yeah, this is a holy grail, it's going to win every single time. But my trading is upwards. Believe this or not, upwards 90% win rate on all of my trades because of the indicators that I'm using. Right now we're looking at a clean chart. The indicators are gone. If you want to know what those indicators are and what I'm using on a day-to-day basis to make a profit, DM me, give me a comment below and say, do you want to go ahead and get those indicators. And right now I'm going to be sending you a link of a PayPal link of $299, and I'll give you those key indicators that I'm using. I'm using a combination of maybe, oh boy, I got 4 screens, and I'm looking at maybe 6 indicators, but I put it all in 1 or 2 arrows. It just pops up on my Thinkorswim platform. So if you're using Thinkorswim, of course Thinkorswim is free. You download it and get going on it. You can practice with it on the paper side of it all before you go live or whatever broker you're using. Right now I'm using SureTrader, so I'm doing really well with them. The only thing I don't like about SureTrader is the commission. The commissions are pretty high at SureTrader, but for right now that's what I'm using, and it's working out well. The account is up. I said I'm doing upwards 90% of a win rate, so my losses in the account are super small, as I'm gonna go day by day and show you guys. And I got 1 screenshot here of my SureTrader account, and a pretty good win. I did 20 cents. 20 cents is all I got. I am a micro scalper. That's what I am, a micro scalper. I'm not an intraday trader. I'm not a swing trader or scalper. There's only 4 things you can do. Either you're a micro scalper like myself, a scalper, next level up is intraday trader, and then after that I guess you'll be a swing trader or an investor. That's it. That's all you can do as far as trading is concerned, and as far as the markets. So I'm a micro scalper. Later on I'm going to try to elevate the account up to maybe a scalp, and then from there swing, and from there probably just do some investments. But for right now I'm just doing micro scalp. 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, or whatever the chart tells me as far as the indicators popping up, I'll go ahead and get in and out, and that'll be it for today. But for right now, again, it was Tgtx was the ticker, and as you can see, this oval area here is when I got in. I got in at 660. Let me go to the crosshairs there. 660 here, that's when I got in, right up in this area, and then I got the 20 cents down to here, down to 640. That's when I closed the trade out on this bounce. So the stock collapses down, it pulls back up, and then gets another pop to the upside, and that's when my order filled. I had a limit order at 660. It filled nicely. It went all the way to 670, and then once the order filled, I go ahead and put the other order in 20 cents below that, and it filled nicely right up in here. So it took me out at 640 for a profit of $240. I had 1,200 shares, you can see right here, and this is the post that I do on Twitter. I post my profit and loss every day on Twitter. As you can see right here, it said profit 240 in less than 2 minutes. These are the orders. There's the profit. Time in and out 9:30 again, and it's what I got the fill, and then I got the close sold short, and then I bought it back 20 cents later for a total profit of $240 in less than 2 minutes. So if you want those indicators, if you want to follow me on Twitter, there's the Twitter handle, the stock operator. just type me in, and then I'll pop up. It's at the Stock Operator 3 right here on Twitter. It pops right up, and you can follow me. I do a daily watch list no later than 8:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, so it's an hour ahead of an hour behind Wall Street. So that'll be 9:15 Wall Street time if you're on the East Coast. So that's the trade for today, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Again, if you want to use those indicators or want to know what those indicators are, because this is a clean chart with no indicators at all, leave a comment below and say you want to go ahead and do it. I do want to find out what those indicators are. I like the style of trade that you're doing, micro scalp, and then you can possibly use it for scalps or swing trades as well. The indicators go across all time frames. If you want to use it for, I'm using right now currently a 3-minute time frame, but you can cut that down to a 1-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, or whichever you want to use. It works throughout across all time frames. So give me a like if you like this video. Send me a direct message in this YouTube under the YouTube comments if you want the $299 link. That's $299 PayPal link, and we'll go from there and schedule out when we're going to do the sessions. We got a PDF slideshow that I can give you, and just give you the keys to the kingdom, exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, and as I always say in parting, to live is Christ and to die is gain.